Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial on millimeters, and I'm going to be showing you how to look at a three-dimensional drawing with dimensions and how to actually interpret that and create your own three-dimensional part in Design Spark mechanical. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and go new. I know that this is in millimeters, so we're going to change the plan view. We're going to drag in our copy here, or our go by, and then I'm going to go ahead and start drawing. So the first thing I'm going to draw is this little square box right here, or cutout. So this is 25 and 25 is 50 plus 6 is 56. So we're going to go ahead and with the snaps on, go 56 and then 75 tall. Then we're going to control minus to pan out, or actually keep it at control plus. Let's pan over. Let's go ahead and get our select tool. Let's grab this, move it over, and then let's scale it up by holding down the shift key. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is draw these circles up here. So we're going to go from the midpoint there. First one's going to be 100. Second circle is going to be 64. Then we're going to create a line. We're going to do this from here. So from here, you look back here, from here over to here. So this is the midpoint of this circle to the midpoint of that circle is 100. So we're going to go ahead and draw this line here, type 100, and then select the click off. Now you're going to grab your circle, and you're going to draw the first circle here, which is 25. And then you're going to go ahead and get another circle tool. This one here is 50. So you're going to go ahead and type in 50. Okay. Now that you got that, you're going to create this. So this is 10 millimeters. So you're going to go ahead and offset this entire line up 5 millimeters. Then you're going to offset it down 5 millimeters. Okay. So now you got basically this shape right here, and now you're going to draw another line. You're going to draw this, so you're going to basically go from here over to here, and then that's going to be your midpoint part. Now you're going to go ahead and get your trim away. Let's start trimming this stuff. We have to do one more piece that I forgot, but we'll get to that in a second. Okay, the piece that I forgot is in the middle here, which is this little cutout. So we're going to go from center point down to midpoint, and then we're going to offset. This needs to be 6, so we'll go 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and trim. Let's go ahead and trim this pieces here. You're going to trim the middle here because this is a notch. Then you're going to trim that off. Then go ahead and cut this. That's fine there. So this is good. It's good here. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and spin. Going to create this extrusion here, which is 40. So we're going to go ahead and pull. We're going to select there. We're going to select double-sided. We're going to type 40. Okay. And you're going to get rid of this piece in the middle. We don't need it. Now we're going to go ahead and extrude this. This is going to be 40 as well. So we'll go pull. Pull from both sides. Type 40. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and you want to pull this piece up to here. So we're going to go pull. We're going to pull up to that point. Okay, so that is roughly let's see, so this 40, this is 20. Okay, so now you're going to have to go pull this piece right here. This is 20 from here to here. So you want this to be 48. So you're going to have to pull this side 28. So we're going to go click there because it's longer. So we'll go type in 28. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to top. Let's spin this. This piece in the middle is 10, so we're going to go ahead and pull. We're going to click on that. We're going to come over here to both sides. We're going to type 10. We're going to pull that out. Okay, we're going to get rid of that circle in the middle. We don't need it. Okay, now this piece here, it's 20 over and 20 up, and it's a 20 millimeter circle, or 10 millimeter. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and spin this. Spin it over to there the best you can. Click on the face. Go to plan view. We're going to zoom in, Control plus. I'll pan this up. Now we're going to go ahead and go offset. Let's go to the mode. Let's offset this. 20, type 20. And then go ahead and type 20 there. And then we're going to go ahead and put a circle in there, right there. That circle is going to be 10 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to get rid of these lines. Don't need them. Go to the top. Go back to 3D mode. Let's go ahead and get rid of this piece. Delete. I'm going to go ahead and spin this. Pull. We're going to pull this hole straight through. Now let's pan this over. This is going to be our part. Now we're going to go ahead and put some details in here. So we'll click till everything's selected. And we'll do a 1.5 millimeter fillet. And then we're going to go ahead and click till all this is selected and do a 1 millimeter. All right, let's go ahead and spin this around. Pull, we're going to click select here till everything is selected. And I'm going to type in 1.5. Okay, now you're going to do this one. 1.5, make sure pull is on. 1.5. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this. Looks like everything's good. This one you're going to go click, you do a 1 point fillet. Let's go ahead and pull on this, do 1.5. All right, let's spin this around, make sure this is good. Grab this one. 1.5. Now let's go ahead and get these circles here. Go to pull. Let's grab that. Type 1. Oh, actually, let's type 0.5. That just needs enough fillets so the screw can fit in there. Then we're going to pull these. 0.5. We're going to spin this. I'm going to grab these in the side here. 0.5. Now you're going to go ahead and spin this. Grab this one right there. 0.5. Now you're going to grab these. $1.5. Okay, spin this. Everything looks good except this piece right here. This is going to be, needs to be 1.5. This one needs to be 1.5. Then these on the bottom also need to be 1.5. Okay, that's going to be it. Let's go ahead and double check this. Go to the top view. Let's go ahead and spin this. So everything's good on here. Everything's good on the back. This part is good. All right, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. This tutorial is basically how you take a three-dimensional part with dimensions and you replicate it and create your own in Design Spark Mechanicals. Okay, I noticed one more thing is wrong on here. This needs to be 1.5. Let's turn this around, make sure the top is that way as well. Oh, these aren't either, so 1.5. And then this one, 1.5, and then we're done. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got something useful out of the video. I keep finding these little spots. This also needs to be 1.5. Spin this around, make sure. Oh, this one didn't get changed here. Okay, that one's 1.5, and then you need to get this one too. Oh, it's not pulling that. Go ahead and spin this, see what's going on. All right, let's go ahead and pull this piece right here. Click there, type 1.5. That's odd. It's not changing it. All right, let's do the manual pull on this. I think that's 1.5, and then go ahead and put this one in there. That'll be done. Okay, now it's completed. Let's go back to top mode. That's going to end today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed watching. Now the bottom is sorry about that. I keep thinking that this is finished, and I see one more line that needs to get done. It's good enough right there. Oh, one right there, and this one too needs to go. Okay, now it's officially finished. Go back to top. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. And as always, thank you for watching.